क्या पैकेजिंग में आता है रे बाबा।
ओहो वाह
क्या बात है।
वाह वाह
ओहो
बहुत मस्त।
अरे नाइस क्वालिटी है। एनी देख इसमें।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul here. Well, I ordered a visor from AliExpress 25 days ago. All thanks to Indian Roadrunner, he made it possible so that I got my order. And let's check out the visor. So this is what the visor is, guys. This is the tinted one. It looks pretty nice and it would also look very good on my bike. I got this visor for 1100 rupees from AliExpress, and the worst part about AliExpress is they'll send you the product in a very long time. They'll take a long time to deliver the product, and the plus point is that the product that I've got delivered, you can look at this. We should get this on the motorcycle, right? Okay, so I'm done with the visor. Now I'm going home. Feeling a little bit weird, but it's good. So thank you for watching the video, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you like the visor that I've got. So if you're interested in buying the visor, then I have linked the AliExpress link of this visor in the description. So you can go ahead, you can buy it.